Should I stay here?
Mm-hmm.
You all look good?
Lights, camera, action, scene one.
YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Lali on Lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, flavorful honey glazed salmon. Now, I know a lot of you couldn't wait for a cooking video, so today I'm bringing it to you in my channel. So I'm going to show you how to make this honey glazed. It's easy to make, less than 30 minutes. You have a delicious piece of salmon. You can eat it with a piece of bread. Now I'm going to show you how to make this honey glazed salmon. If you like to see how I make my honey glazed salmon, keep on watching. First, let's wash our hands. Let me take you over the ingredients. This is my salmon, freshly washed with some lemon juice, a little bit of vinegar. For this recipe, you're gonna need half a stick of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, a handful of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, soy sauce, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. I have some parsley for garnish and some lemon. Before we start, we're gonna pour the melted butter. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. 1 tablespoon is fine. I'll add 2. To that, I'm going to add my brown sugar, my honey, I'm going to add my minced garlic, lemon juice, and soy sauce. And lastly, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And because I want a little heat, so I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. Not a lot, just a little bit to give us a little heat. Now we're going to give it a stir. Now, before I put the sauce in my salmon, I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper. So now we're going to add our sauce. So what I like to do, I like to make sure it's coated evenly. The best way to have the most flavorful taste is to let it marinate for at least an hour. So we're gonna go ahead and let it marinate for an hour, and then I'll show you the next step.
1 hour later.
Go ahead and cook our salmon. So let's go ahead and heat. We're gonna let it heat up for a little bit, and we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit, because it's already have butter. And so let's go ahead and cook our salmon. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the salmon for 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I just cooked the salmon. This is how it's looking. Now I'm gonna let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna serve. So let's give it a taste. So good, man. I pair it up with a little bit of French beans. So delicious. Give me a minute. It's so good, guys. Please, guys, if you try this recipe, please type me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Please let me know if you try this recipe. I would love to see your version of this honey glazed salmon. My family and I really love this recipe, and I would love for you to try it at home with your family. Again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in. I will link all the ingredients and the description box below. Enjoy. Bye. I gotta eat. If you like to see more of those types of cooking video, please let me know in the comments. Talk to me. Let me know what you expect, what you want to see. I'll be more happy to create for you. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, this is it. Thank you so much. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Alright.